Hello coders, just like your Android mobile, Windows comes up with a feature which in general by default is being turned off, that while writing something in Word or while writing some text, the text suggestion shows up. So like I'll be pressing window key followed by R, and then I'll be typing WinWord to open my MS Word application. Now if I type something like maybe plagiarism, that's a common word for theft. So see, I wrote PLA, pla, but no word suggestion is being shown up. So just like your Windows, just like your Android mobile, Windows also comes up with a feature in which if you type something, dynamically Windows shows some word suggestion. You need to activate it. How can you do that? So I'll be showing you the shortcut key. After that, I'll be showing you the long process by searching through the settings option. So you need to type window plus R, and then you need to type MS settings, this one typing. So let me zoom my screen a bit so that it is, whatever I have written, it is more visible to you guys. So this is what I have written, MS settings typing. I'll be sharing this particular run command in my comment as well. So all you need to do now is that you need to press enter. I'll be pressing window key escape to to undo the zoom option, and you need to check these two particular options. After that, close this dialog box window. Now open up WinWord one more time. So it's WinWord. Let me open it up. So now if you type something for maybe write car, so CAC, so CAR, card, something like that. Now if you write plagiarism, plagiacy, your hinting, the word suggestion is working properly. Now I will be turning it off. I showed you the shortcut key to activate this particular option. I'll be showing you the long process by which you can find this particular option. So you need to go to settings. Here is the settings button. From there you need to go something like this one, maybe time and language. From there will be something like this one, time and language. There should be something like typing. Let me press back button one more time. System, device, mobile network, yeah, time and language. From this time and language, in here somewhere there should be some, this one, language. And from language, there's spelling, typing and keyboard settings. Select this particular option, and under here hardware keyboard, you need to uncheck these two options. So I am using Windows 10 Home Edition. You might be using Windows 10 Professional Edition. Some people might be using Windows 11. Others might be using Windows 7. So the version of the Windows might differ. But this particular run command, it won't differ. So if you mug it up, this particular keyword, this particular MS settings typing, if you particularly mark this up in your head, you can easily activate the Windows prediction of what in your in your laptop or in your desktop computer. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Hope you like it. See you again another for some another video. Thank you guys and happy coding.